Alright guys, do I have some news for you? I just stepped out of the post office right there. It is a cold and blistering day, so if you hear a lot of wind, that's why. But I just received a package, and that's a train you're hearing. I just received a package from my good friend Amanda over at Orange Grove Vintage out of Sarasota, Florida. We have some exciting things for you. But first, I gotta get this package back to my apartment, get warm, and do a quick haul.
I am what I am today, cause I did it my way, nothing y'all can say. In this life or the next one.
Hey guys, Sammy D here. Okay, so I got the package. I have no idea what's inside. However, Amanda is so in love with vintage love and making sure that every single person loves her pieces that she and I have been texting back and forth, and she said that she had a dream last night that I didn't like anything and nothing fit. So I'm starting to get a little stressed about this. Again, this is the first video that I am doing, which is really just about supporting vintage sellers and showing you guys what they offer and giving them a chance to reach you in a way that is genuine and authentic. Basically, guys, you're just gonna see my real reactions. Again, I told Amanda what my measurements were, but I didn't tell her anything. I said, look, just send me what you think I will like. And this is us taking a chance. So you guys are gonna see my genuine reactions, and then you're gonna see how I styled the pieces that she sent me. I'm going to wear them all around New York City, and then you guys can buy the pieces for yourself online if you want, or go and explore what else Orange Grove Vintage has to offer. So let's do it. Let's tear open this box. This is my first kind of haul video, I guess that's what you call them. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's inside. Oh, more tape. I'm already seeing some purple. And she wrapped it so nice. She put everything in a little plastic bag. So this is piece number 1. What is it gonna be? I know it's vintage. We have a Donna Morgan for Non-Stop. That's the label right there. It looks like a linen dress from the 70s. It has these awesome pockets. It has a slight southwest flare, but there's not too much southwest flare. Like, it doesn't feel like I have to be wearing this in Phoenix, Arizona with cowboy boots. I do like most about it, at least from first glance, is that it has this kind of built-in belt. So it looks like I can take it off, or I can wear it. Maybe I can even do something different with it. I think on first glance, I am giving this 2 thumbs up, guys. So there is piece number 1. Piece number 2. I know where the box is, so let me just grab something. All right, that's the baggie for the other dress. Okay. Oh, this is the one that I saw, and I was like, oh my vintage god. Oh my vintage gods. This is my print. Like, this right here is like Sammy Davis in a nutshell. Oh my god, it's a jumpsuit. It's a jumpsuit, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's a jumpsuit. It's amazing. Look at this jumpsuit, and then it has this gold metallic thread woven in the neckline, and it is so subtle and amazing, and it has an extra long zipper in the back. The bell bottom is the bee's knees. It's like 4 reels on these. This is a bell bottom jumpsuit. I've never ever owned something like this. I might have to buy this from you, Amanda. This is like, if I could do 6 thumbs up right now. 2, 4, 6. I love this piece. I hope it fits. I hope it fits. So that was item number 2. And Amanda just texted me. She wants to know if I liked it. I'm so excited I just spit on myself. All right, item number 3. What is this? So item number 3. Oh my gosh. Okay, a little vest. This cute little vest thing. It has this stitched design. I don't know what the back represents. I don't know if you guys can see something. I don't see anything. Not quite yet. It could be a person, I'm not sure. But I love this. It's so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna wear under it, but I'll figure that out later. Oh, it's a skirt! Made in Sri Lanka, okay. Classics by Janston. Maybe it wasn't even a tourist skirt, but I absolutely love it. It has pockets. It is a midi length, so this is probably going to be right below my knee and above my ankle, and she wants me to pair it with the vest. I'm digging this. This is not something I would normally put together for myself, to be honest with you. Totally still giving this 2 thumbs up. All right, guys, what else is in the box? Longest haul video ever. Let's see. Oh, we've got more purple action here. This is, I like the material. It's a nice polyester. It's another jumpsuit. Amanda, this is like a disco jumpsuit. So it's more like a spandex, like tight on the body jumpsuit. It has the deep V-neck, the deep V neckline, which was very quintessential of the 70s disco era. And this is awesome. I'm going to accessorize the bling out of this. Definitely 2 thumbs up, item number 4. Okay. It's like the infinite deep box of vintage goodies. Okay. This is like the best day ever. Oh my gosh. Amanda, I might have to keep this one as well. We have what appears to be a 60s garment. It's a paisley print with different size orange vertical lines over it. This is absolutely stunning. Like, I don't think the camera is doing it justice, but this is totally 2 thumbs up. Amanda, you are killing it. You are the vintage goddess stylist. Seriously. So this was item number 5. Totally 2 thumbs up. Oh man. It just keeps getting better. You guys won't believe what I'm seeing right now. Like, this is, I don't think I've seen anything like this in person, and I've seen a lot of vintage in my days. Magenta pink. This is like a Schiaparelli pink. She was known for this hot pink. I want to say it's 80s. No, it has a metal zipper. It has a metal zipper. So maybe 60s. Yeah, I think it is 60s because of the style of the sleeves. They're slight bell sleeves. Oh yeah. And then, oh, it has lace on the inside. Do you guys see that? All right, and then it comes with a waist tie, duh. I love this. This is totally unique. Again, a piece that I would maybe see online and think to myself, I'm not quite sure about that. So I'm really excited that I get to wear it today. Amanda, again, 2 thumbs up, sister. Oh my God. She sent me a designer garment, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can wear this outside. I'm nervous. Oh my God, it's amazing. This is a classic 80s skirt line. If you guys know the 80s, you know that this is very, very, very classic. It's a beautiful material. I don't know what type of material it is without looking at the tag. It does have shoulder pads, which I get to rock because I can't alter the garments in any way. And the sleeves, they're kind of bat sleeves in the sense that they are wider and then thinner as it gets closer to what looks to be the elbow. Totally 2 thumbs up. Last item, guys. I'm double checking the box. This is the last item. There's nothing that's going to surprise either of us. Oh my gosh, I thought that these were denim bell bottoms, but it's a denim, it's like a denim prairie style dress. Look at this! Oh my gosh, look at this amazingness. But check out the chest pattern, which corresponds with the sleeves, which are angel style sleeves. Because they're wider and they hit the elbow, and then it looks like it's either a maxi length or it might hit right above my ankles because I'm 5'9". This is our last piece. This is phenomenal. This is the type of piece that I would probably own my whole life and try to pass on to my daughter because of the quality of the material. So long lasting. Denim is truly an American brand. We did it. We just went through this amazing box that is now empty. So now I get to style them and wear them all around New York City, share them with you, and you guys, as always, can vote for your favorites in the comments below. So with all that said, let's go and shoot some looks. All right guys, we are filming the first look. It is 37 degrees here in New York City. The snow is going to fall from that very gray sky very shortly. But I'm here on the west side of Manhattan, right by the Hudson River, and I'm gonna show you guys some Orange Grove vintage fashion.
Is somebody out there? Should I worry about who's in my head? I felt your heavy breath through darkness. The smoke is getting close to my bed. I cannot make a sound. Empty lungs, sleeping but awake, paralyzed. So speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good.
Guys, this could be the worst decision of my filming life. I wanted to film everything last night because today, Storm Toby has hit. Yes, just the 4th snowstorm to hit New York City and the New Jersey area in March. 12 to 18 inches are happening and already laying on the ground, but you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make this magic happen, and you guys can see what vintage looks like. Oh my God, what vintage looks like in the snow. Let's do it. mother knew I was doing this right now, she would not be happy. Alright guys, so we just did 2 of the looks. We have 2 more to go. It's only 10:15 and this is how much snow there is on the ground. I think they were being serious when they said that this was a snowpocalypse of 12 to 16 inches potentially. But you know what? Vintage can be worn any day of the year, any climate, any temperature, and any weather. So take that, snow.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go.
Alright guys, we're done. We just finished the shoot. Guys, this has been such a fun experience showcasing Orange Grove Vintage. Amanda started as a seller completely by accident. Her older sister used to wear vintage and she always wanted to be like her older sister. Who else could relate to that? And basically, when Amanda moved from Maryland to Florida, her older sister would come visit and they would go thrifting. And her older sister started to show Amanda the tricks of the trade to thrifting vintage fashion. Before she knew it, Amanda had what she likes to call a showroom of vintage. She learned about 2 years ago that she could sell vintage online, and that's about the time she opened her Etsy shop. And then she started selling in Facebook groups and at flea markets all around St. Petersburg and Sarasota, Florida. If you guys want to meet Amanda in person, she has a piece of my vintage love and heart. She's the sweetest woman ever. She says she missed her calling as a personal shopper. So that's why I think she did so well with these looks. I know that I have my favorite. I don't know about you guys though. Let me know in the comments below. Did you like look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8? I would love to hear from you. And also please go and check out Amanda's Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy shop. These pieces are for sale. You can make them a piece of your home even after seeing them basically experience this snow here in New York City. Alright guys, I love you so much. I can't wait to see you in the next video, and keep on spreading that vintage love. Guys, I don't know why I'm doing this. Amanda